Well, just on the weather, I know that some of the media may be aware that we were participating on a 2 o'clock video conference across the state with all the emergency management team and agencies, and a briefing was provided by the National Weather Service. So across the state, we're all monitoring the current system, that Tropical Depression 2C, which is located about 920 miles southeast or east-southeast of Hilo. It's moving at about 10 miles per hour in a west-northwest direction. Currently, the maximum sustained winds are about 35 miles an hour, and it has the potential, and right now is being forecasted to pick up in its intensity. And tomorrow at 2 o'clock, we'll be once again participating in a statewide briefing with the National Weather Service and have a better idea of what to be expected. On its current track and path, and it's very far out to forecast with any degree of certainty, but it has the potential of approaching the Big Island on the southeast side, which would be between South Point and Cape Kumkai, which would take it anywhere from South Point through Kau, Puna, etc. So we're watching it very closely. Tomorrow we'd be interested in going forward to see how more defined the forecast gets with regards to wind speeds and potential for rain. It also is likely to bring surf, and our concern is with the surf, obviously it's in the same general direction that could be affecting the Kapoho, Punaluu area once again like Iselle did. So we are going to be, at this point, working on a more proactive notification of the community, even though the system is quite a ways out, at least raising the awareness in the community to monitor the surf conditions, prepared for the storm conditions, and then as it goes forward, we'll be sure to keep the community well informed of any changes or developments. Any questions for me on the storm?
Yeah, hi, Daryl. Tom with the Tribune Herald. How would those notifications go out? Same usual channels, I assume?
Yeah, we're looking at obviously using the normal tools we have, which is the radio, public radio system, which is very effective. More so because unlike the TV broadcast, it is focused to the local audience and provides clarity with regards to what's expected for the Big Island. We'll also be working with you as well, the print media.
Mm-hmm.
We've got some time to get information out. But in the case of the Punaluu and Kapoho areas, it's actually sending personnel door-to-door to make contact. One of the valuable lessons learned during Iselle is that many people in some of these areas may not be aware of what's happening outside their own community. And if we can do something to raise their awareness, we might be able to prevent anyone from getting hurt or having problems. So we're going to be a little more aggressive in our notification of the community directly by going door-to-door in those shoreline areas that might be vulnerable to the high surf.
Okay. And when do you expect to do that door-to-door?
If I start from tomorrow, and that would be based on continued conversations over the next 24 hours with the Weather Service, because the system is very far out, we want to make sure what the information we do provide is as accurate as possible with a reasonable forecast of when we could see that impact occurring. So I would say starting tomorrow, we'd be going door-to-door with preliminary notification.
Any areas in particular?
Yeah, the Kapoho Vacation Land, Beach Lots area, and also in the Punaluu area of Kau, and also likely in the Kings Landing area of Hilo.
Okay.